शुक्रिया.
Welcome. We're with Mr. Justin Trudeau, the leader of the Liberal Party. Hi, Trudeau. How are you doing today?
Very, very well. It's a great pleasure to be celebrating another wonderful India Independence Day, Unity Day parade. This is my riding, and I've been here for 7 years in a row at this parade. Every year it just gets better. More people, more celebrations. It's just a wonderful opportunity to be celebrating right in the middle of an election campaign, which is good too.
You joined us here for many years in the past. How do you think the celebration has evolved over time, in your perspective?
From my perspective, it's more and more people every year, and more people of different backgrounds as well. It really is unity. It's pulling people together from all sorts of different backgrounds to celebrate a wonderful Indian culture, but also aspects of Canadian culture.
Very true. Thank you. You represent one of the most multicultural constituencies in the area, like Park Extension. It homes dozens of multicultural ethnicities. How do you feel about immigration policies, specifically the waiting time it takes for people to reunite with their families?
We need to fix immigration. This Conservative government has completely broken it. Wait times are too long, whether it's for visits, whether it's for family reunification, whether it's spousal reunification. This Conservative government has broken immigration, and the Liberal Party is committed to fix it. That's what we're fighting for in this election campaign, because we understand that Canada is strong not in spite of its differences, but because of its differences, and that's what we continue to need to build on.
Do you want to share anything with our viewers today? Any messages?
Just what a pleasure it is to be celebrating again India Day. ATN, which is always there for important events within the community, always there for me as well. Thank you very much. A reminder to everyone to get involved, get out and vote on October 19th.